In this video, I'll show you how to find your lost Beats Solo Buds in case you lost them. This works with Android and also with any iPhones or iPad, obviously. So these earbuds will use the Find My app if you have an iPhone. Let me show you and then I'll show you on Android. So on the iPhone, let's say I forgot them at the restaurant, I'll put them aside, okay? On the iPhone, you need to go into the Bluetooth settings. They need to have been paired previously, obviously, with this iPhone to work. So then go into the Bluetooth settings, find them in this Bluetooth list. I'll find them, give me a second, and then press the icon over here. Then you're gonna have multiple information, but the top thing that you'll see is Show in Find My. Show in Find My. Click on this option. Find My will open. It's not an app that you need to download automatically with your iPhone. It's pre-installed. And you'll get a map, and on the map you'll see them. You also get the address written down below. This is the last place where the Beats Solo Buds have been connected to your phone. So you won't be able to track them if somebody stole them. This feature is only available on more expensive Beats like the Beats Fit Pro and also many Apple AirPods like the AirPods Pro. With those, yes, you can actually track if somebody took them and went away with them. But here with these models, since these are a more budget-friendly choice, you will only be able to see the last place they got connected and disconnected. So at least you can go back to this location if it was like in a park or maybe a restaurant and try to search around this location. Hopefully no one took them away. If I press play sound, it will try to connect. Then I need to press play sound. And then it will start playing this sound, so it's easier for you to find the earbud. As I said, unfortunately, the case will not beep. And if one of them is in the case, this one will not beep either. You see, if I'm trying to select right side here, it's not working. I can only select stop to make this one over here stop. So this is one of the limitation. So this was on the iPhone. On the Android is almost the same thing. So you need to connect them with your Android smartphone. Then open the Beats app. Okay, this I hope you already used it in the past because it's quite useful when you have Beats earbuds if you have an Android phone. Then obviously over here you won't have any information of your Beats since they're not connected. Press on these three lines on the top left corner. Then select Locate My Beats. And over here, you're gonna have a list of all your Beats products you own. Tap on them. And you're gonna see on the map the same thing, the same exact thing we show that we were able to see on the iPhone. But otherwise, this is what you need to do in case you lose them and you want to use Find My to find them, the last place they got connected to your device. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like. Comment down below if you have another way on how to do this, and I'll see you in the next video.